Tiller Money: features, strengths, weaknesses. Tiller Money is a powerful personal finance tool that bridges the gap between the flexibility of spreadsheets and the automation of budgeting apps. At its core, Tiller automatically pulls your financial data from various accounts, checking, savings, credit cards, investments, and loans, into a Google Sheet or Excel spreadsheet. This daily auto-sync of transactions is its killer feature, eliminating the manual data entry that makes traditional budgeting a chore. Key features include customizable templates, allowing users to tailor their budgeting system to their specific needs and preferences. The Tiller Money Feeds add-on seamlessly categorizes transactions, though accuracy sometimes requires manual refinement. Users can then leverage pre-built reports and dashboards or build their own using spreadsheet software. Tiller is best suited for individuals and families comfortable with spreadsheets who want granular control over their finances but don't want to manually input every transaction. It appeals to those who want to analyze their spending habits in detail, track progress towards specific financial goals, and enjoy the visual representation of data in charts and graphs. One of the biggest pros is its extreme flexibility. You're not confined to a specific budgeting methodology or a rigid interface. The subscription model also makes it a safer choice, as Tiller doesn't sell your data like some free apps. A significant con is the learning curve. While Tiller provides templates, setting up a customized system and understanding spreadsheet formulas can be daunting for beginners. The monthly subscription fee, while reasonable for the value offered, might be a barrier for those on a tight budget or who prefer one-time purchases. Another potential downside is the reliance on Google Sheets or Excel. While these platforms are widely used, users need to be comfortable with them to fully leverage Tiller's capabilities. Furthermore, while Tiller offers some built-in reports, generating advanced insights may require a stronger understanding of spreadsheet software. Ultimately, Tiller Money isn't for everyone. If you're intimidated by spreadsheets and prefer a more guided, app-based budgeting experience, other options like Mint or Inab might be a better fit. However, if you're a spreadsheet enthusiast seeking a powerful and customizable way to manage your finances with automatic transaction syncing, Tiller Money is a compelling solution worth exploring. You get the benefits of automation without sacrificing the control and customization that spreadsheets offer. It provides a unique balance in the personal finance landscape, empowering users to take control of their financial data and make informed decisions.